Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur and you are watching the Coin Monitor. Virtual digital assets are making a habit of moving against broader financial markets, especially equity markets. In the last 24 hours, a similar pattern has emerged. The equities are trading lower while VDAs are gaining strength, helping Bitcoin to erase most of the week's losses. Bitcoin, the largest crypto by market cap, was trading lower below $67,000. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 0.5% at 84,300 points. Of late, financial markets are witnessing frequent bouts of volatility as macro indicators presented mixed cues. Well, today's US non-farm payrolls data would provide clarity on how the interest rate scenarios are shaping up. Well, the broader crypto markets are closely tracking Bitcoin. In other news, Binance has removed support for Bitcoin ordinals, a digital asset inscribed on a Satoshi, the lowest denomination of Bitcoin, as part of its efforts to streamline its NFT marketplace. Well, users will no longer be able to trade Bitcoin ordinals on the Binance NFT marketplace from April 18th. Well, Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell reiterated the central bank's position on interest rates. He has underlined that recent readings on job gains and inflation have come in higher than expected. Moving on, trading volume in futures and options tied to cryptocurrencies on centralized exchanges rose 86.5% to a record high of $6.18 trillion, which is equivalent to 3 times the market cap of all cryptocurrencies. Meanwhile, as per the latest data from Commodity Futures Trading Commission, hedge funds and trading advisors have ramped up their bearish bets on Bitcoin futures. Simultaneously, the so-called futures funding rate payments to traders based on difference between perpetual contract markets and spot prices is around a record high level. Funding rates represent trader sentiments in the perpetual swaps market. The global crypto market cap was at $2.49 trillion mark, decreasing 0.8% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volume increased by 10% to $100 billion. Going forward, Coinbase has become the largest registered cryptocurrency exchange in Canada, having successfully navigated the restricted dealer registration process. In other news, stablecoin supply on the Layer 1 blockchain network Solana has increased steadily since the beginning of the year, crossing the $3 billion mark during the past week. Meanwhile, stablecoin transfer volume on Solana surged by 164% to $1.4 trillion, reflecting the significant amount of activity the network has enjoyed. Eigenlayer, Ethereum's second largest DeFi protocol by TVL, is currently worth $12.4 billion and allows validators to earn extra rewards by securing actively validated services through restaking their staked ETH. Well, this innovative concept allows validators to secure new Ethereum features and potentially earn additional rewards. US stock futures traded higher as investors focused on key labor data scheduled later in the day. Dow Jones futures increased by 0.15%, S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures rose 0.24% and 0.23% respectively. Bitcoin was trading at $66,755, up by 0.8%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 1.7% to trade at $3,280. Talking about Binance's BNB token, it was down by 2% to trade at $575. Next on the list, Solana Sol was down 7% and was trading at $172. Next on the list, Cardano's ADA token was down by 2.3% to trade at $0.56. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $44.9, lower by 4.7%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 2% to trade at $0.88. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 5.3% at $0.17. Next on the list, Shiba Inu was trading down by 1.5%. The Ripple 6RP token traded at $0.57, down by 0.1%, and Polkadot was down by 3.5% to trade at $8.2. So that's all in the Coin Monitor. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code. With 3.0 TV, stay connected with the world of blockchain.
Stay up to date with infinite world of NFTs.
Come explore and evolve with 3.0 TV in the Metaverse.
So many coins, so much volatility. 3.0 TV delivers the news that matters.
Binance has removed support for Bitcoin ordinals, a digital asset inscribed on Satoshi, the lowest denomination of Bitcoin, as part of its effort to streamline its NFT marketplace. While users will no longer be able to trade Bitcoin ordinals on the Binance NFT marketplace from April 18th, and the exchange advised users to withdraw their Bitcoin ordinals before May 18th. Airdrops, benefits, or utilities linked to Bitcoin ordinals will no longer be supported from April 10th. Binance also advised Runstone's holders to withdraw their NFTs by this date to ensure they still receive associated tokens, utilities, and benefits. The creators of popular Bitcoin ordinals project called Runstone sent the original parent inscription valued at 8 BTC, around $525,000 worth, to a wallet purported to belong to mythic Bitcoin creator Satoshi Nakamoto. Franklin Templeton Digital Assets recently featured the rise of ordinal inscriptions in a new prospectus, highlighting the positive momentum in innovations on the Bitcoin blockchain. Singapore's Monetary Authority of Singapore has granted GSR Markets its full major payment institution license, allowing it to conduct over-the-counter spot and market-making services under the country's central bank. While the GSR Markets, founded in 2013 in the US, facilitates OTC crypto trading, derivatives market making, and venture capital investments. Singapore's regulatory efforts have led to many crypto companies seeking to offer their services within the country, with Crypto.com, Coinbase, and Ripple receiving formal approval in 2023 and OKX and Bitco receiving in-principle approvals in 2024. Singapore is also cracking down on retail speculation by expanding its Payment Services Act, which includes custodial services for DPTs, token transfers, exchange, and cross-border fund transfers. The Shiba Inu magazine article, Building the Future, K9 Finance's Strategic Vision for a DeFi Revolution on Shibarium, outlines K9 Finance's strategic plan to enhance the decentralized finance landscape on the Shibarium blockchain. Well, the roadmap consists of 3 phases, starting with the introduction of Hesper in late Q2 and ending with the launch of Boro on mainnet. The final phase, K9A, aims to realize K9 Finance's vision for a decentralized liquid staking product on Shibarium. Buzz, the K9 Finance DAO founder, emphasizes aligning the project's trajectory with the community's vision and highlights Shibarium's unique strengths, including its technological capabilities and the vibrant Shibami community as a formidable contender in the blockchain space.